Happy New Year to you all and welcome to Zara Naija on YouTube. We are preparing to cook special, delicious okra soup. As usual, we are going to start with the stock from the meat. Then I'll put in the crayfish. I'll also add a little water, the quantity of the soup. I'll also put in a little palm oil. I'll put in the pepper, it's frozen. Seasoning cubes. And of course, a little salt. I'll now allow it to cook for a while. Everything is now well cooked. I'm going to put in the meat, stockfish, smoked fish, and pomo. Then periwinkle. I'm going to put in uba. You know uba is very nutritious. And of course, we have prawns. I'll just allow everything to sink in for a while, for like 3 minutes, and come back to it. It has cooked for a while, so the last thing, of course, to go in will be this okra itself. Have our okra nicely grated. And of course, ugu leaves to garnish it. And you don't allow it to cook. I'll just switch off the fire now. You can see our okra soup being served with all the prawns, pomo, periwinkles, and so much more, making our okra soup look so beautiful and mouth-watering. It's so easy. You can watch the video over and over again and make sure you try this recipe for your friends and family. Don't forget to also watch some of our videos like that of the oha soup, vegetable soup, ogbono soup, oha and okazi soup, and so much more.